What's the difference between the yellow and the white PTFE tape? Normally, the yellow is for gas, so you would need to check. But on this one here, it says gas PTFE, threaded seal tape. On the white one, this one can be used for water. And on there you can see that it says it's RAS approved. Just to apply this, what we would do, we open the tape. We need to make sure we put this on the right way around. So as we're doing this, we're making it so it tightens up on the thread. So we'll just get a little bit of that off there, put that on there, and then that onto there, and then we go in that direction. Tighten that on a bit onto there, and then when you get your pipe, as you tighten that, this bit of the PTFE is tightening. If you put it on the wrong way around, as you're tightening that, it'll start to undo this PTFE on here, so it wouldn't do a very good job. And that's how you install PTFE tape.